Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the shoulder pain and which usually happens post bowling sessions, because as we did the last post which I posted about the spin bowler who is having the shoulder issues and all those things. So I got multiple questions and queries saying ki what can be the fixing factor or how to fix it and all those things. So today we will see how to go about it. The basic issue रहता है whenever there is a shoulder pain, usually we always treat the local symptoms कि यहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा है तो वहाँ पे अपन ने कुछ you did some interventions और वो पेन कम हो गया and all those things. But what happens कि वो पेन कम हो जाता है, after some days when you go back to your net practice the pain comes back again. So that's the usual complaint I get from majority of the bowlers. So आज अपन देखेंगे कि when there is any problem in the shoulder, the basic root cause is your scapula, which is giving you stability for those forceful bowling movements. तो हमेशा issues shoulder में नहीं रहेंगे, but it can be way proximal, that is your scapular muscles, that is your scapular stabilizers, or the another most important thing which we usually ignore, and that is your thoracic spine rotations. क्योंकि अगर तुम लोग अगर majority of the times when I assist bowlers, it's 90% of the times when the thoracic mobility is the main issue, which then transfers back to your shoulder symptoms or your shoulder pain post bowling sessions या post net sessions and so on. तो आज हम एक quickly बहुत अच्छे से exercises देखेंगे where we can work on the thoracic spine and improving the mobility of that particular spine. Once we get a good mobility, definitely the pain factor is going to get reduced. So उसके पहले सबसे first thing we will understand is how to analyze whether the thoracic spine is restricted, so thoracic spine mobility is restricted or no. So ask your athlete, or you, if you are an athlete, just sit down in this particular position with a good pelvic stability. So now I am using my Swiss ball, but you can just sit on your chair or wherever where you have your feet nice and stable on the ground. Just keep both your arms over here, hands just behind the neck, and just give a twist. So on your left side as well as to your right side. And from this particular manner, most of the time जो लोग की mobility restricted होगी, एक side कम rotate होगी as compared to the other side. So if that is an issue, that's where you understand that yes, your thoracic spine is restricted and you need to actually mobilize your thoracic spine. तो उसके लिए we have one beautiful stretch which will actually focus on your thoracic spine mobility. So let's see that how to do it. So you are going to put your you are going to sit in this particular kneeling down position. So if I am sitting in this manner, if I am kneeling in this manner, तो मेरा ये right hand is up. It should be in the line with my shoulder joint. In the line. It should not be like this. It should be up. It should be in the line of my shoulder joint. Now if right hand is up, my left leg should go ahead. This is what should be the pattern. The right leg can be down, stable, nice and strong. You are going to be in this position. I don't want the athlete to do this movement. I don't want the shrugs to happen. The shoulder should be nice and relaxed and holding the hand in its line. Okay? Good core tightness. Nicely squeeze your core. Nicely contract your hip joint. And now you're going to just move from this particular point, getting straight back in this position. Now when you do this, majority of the times I've seen कि यहाँ पे shrug हो जाता है, ये दिखता है. I don't want this to happen. I want it to be nice and relaxed. Both the hands are exactly in the line of the shoulder joint and the body is exactly vertical. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. It should be exactly over the hip joint. Exactly straight. Just moving in this manner. holding there, looking in this direction, holding there for almost 30 seconds and coming back. तो ये जब करोगे, you get a very nice twist on your spinal column, that the spine is giving a good twist, you are getting a good rotation from your thoracic spine, at the same time maintaining this position. I don't want this, that is the shrug happening over here. दूसरी एक common error हो जाती है that when you are doing this movement, the knee turns around with you. This, can you see that? Just have eyes on my knees. So when I am doing this, the knee is turning around with you. That is again something which typically shows that the mobility is very, very compromised. So try and decrease your range of motion from here. सिर्फ यहीं पे जाओ जब तक वो knee move नहीं हो रहा. So just go up to that range till the time you are able to maintain your knee joint in nice and strong position. Get from this position, go back, nice and strong. Be in this position for almost 30 counts. Try to touch both the shoulders to the wall, nice, and then come back. Now, while coming back, I don't want you to get in this position. Nice and strong, maintaining the body in the vertical manner. From this, just coming back without trapezius, without shrugs happening at your shoulder joint. That should not happen. It should not be like this. Relax रहेगा अच्छे से and do this. You can repeat it from the other leg as well when you move towards this side. So if this hand is going up, ये leg ऊपर जाए. Repetitions like holding it for 30 seconds, being there and again coming back. Do it for 3 repetitions. And जब at least for 1.5 week आपको ये करने लगेगा. And once that is done, definitely your thoracic mobility is going to improve. You can check it out again by the same test which we did at the start of the movement. That sitting on the chair or on the Swiss ball or on the bench, holding it like this and just checking your thoracic mobility. So that will improve. That is something which is you will able to track your progress. And definitely the shoulder pain will decrease to some extent. So if it is just at the mobility level, definitely it will decrease. But if the scapular stabilizers has become very, very weak, then you need to do some more interventions and some more strategic planning for planning of your exercises, which needs to understand what exactly is the issue and all those things. So we can't discuss them here in the video now. So just try it out and hopefully majority of the ballers stay injury free and their shoulder pain decreases drastically after doing this exercise. So see you all in the next session, and if you have any questions or queries, just comment below. So I will be able to help you out in all the aspects, whatever is possible for me. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.